Hello Divi fans. In this video I'm going to go over how to create a section similar to this, and I'm going to do it in Divi 5. So I'm going to add another page. I'm going to call the page tutorial page. Use the Divi builder. See this is a heading. So I'm going to use the heading module. Let's see if I can inspect this. It's an H2. Background color is white. Design. Heading text H2. Okay, so I'm going to go to color. That blue color. Let's see, font size is 28. Font family is Open Sans. I'm going to change it up a little. And the font here, font called Estonia, interesting. I'm going to use Roboto. I'm going to center it. There's some kind of letter spacing. Use 1 point. The line height is 33.6 pixels. Alright. I'm going to remove the spacing from here. The margin is going to be 0. Heading I'm going to set to 0. Let's make the row alignment center. Okay. Save draft. I'm going to add another row. It's going to be 2 columns. The first thing I'm going to do is add a text module here. Then it looks like there's 3 toggle modules. So text module. So we can just copy this. It should be left aligned. Let's see. Why is this in the center? It should be left aligned. It's a heading 3. Let's see what special modifications were made there. That's a really bold text. Heading 3. Text. Size is 25. That doesn't make any sense. Design, heading text, heading 3. 25. Font weight seems to be heavy. It seems a little too much, maybe ultra bold. Ultra bold seems a bit much. Let's do bold. The line height is 30 pixels. Okay. The font family is Lotto. I'm just going to keep the text font the way it is. Or actually, I'll also change it to Roboto. I'll call this change the title. We'll see web design and marketing services. So I'm just going to copy and paste like I did last time. What if I could duplicate this and then just move it here? Yep, there we go. I'm just going to copy and paste so the settings are the same. Save draft. I'm going to add a toggle module. Another toggle module. Duplicate that. Another toggle module. The spacing at the bottom needs to go. No, that's not right. The margin at the bottom needs to go. Save here. Margin at the bottom needs to go. Looks like there's a border here. I can inspect it. So it's 160. RGB 160, 160, 160. H5. Here I'm just going to copy this in the text. So copy it to save time. Change the text. For the title text, I'm going to make it black. Toggle background color. Why is it not changing? Oh no, I don't want to do that. Let's make it all transparent. Toggle icon color, I'm going to change to blue. Same with the closed. There we go. Let's do it for this one. Closed icon color. Icon. Make it that shade of blue. Toggle. No background color, whether it's open or closed. Text, no text shadow, title text. Let's make it black. There we go. Title text, make it black. Most of the text, I'm going to make it black. Black. I'll do that for this one. Closed title text is also black. For this icon, make that shade of ocean blue. Background, make it transparent. Text alignment is left. Title text, it's going to be black. Close title text. Body text, black. This is actually an interesting module. The border seems like it could be bigger, especially at the bottom. There we go. So we can do it here also. So this is border. Could duplicate this. Let's see. I'm going to duplicate this. Just going to duplicate this and move it over here. To delete this. Here I'm going to add another module. Toggle module. So we can actually there. No. Duplicate this. Duplicate it again. Duplicate it again. So 1, 2. Delete this. Let's get rid of the spacing. The bottom, the margin, the bottom's going to be 0. And then I would just change the text, the title, and the text. That's all that's going to change. Then I'm going to save the draft. And that concludes the video. Remember to like the video, leave a comment below the video, and subscribe to the channel.